Normal tap water in the United States, are there any concerns?
Well, of course. Our tap water contained a variety of different chemicals, for example. It contained chlorine and a number of other components. So there is some concern about it, and I think this is where hydrogen-enriched water could be very helpful.
Can you tell us a little bit about the clinical research that's being performed and that will be performed in the near future?
I think some of the studies that are being planned, which are studies involving hydrogen-enriched water and its role in anti-aging and its role in exercise performance, for example, are very exciting, and I look forward to doing those studies.
You mentioned exercise performance, and that's exciting to a lot of people. Can you elaborate on that a little bit more for us?
Well, we're very interested to see if hydrogen water can actually enhance an individual's performance, but also we want to see if it enhances or increases their ability to recover from exercise. And this is very important because recovery involves the repair process of cells, and hydrogen-enriched water may actually be very useful in that repair process. And I just want to mention a little bit about hydrogen and exercise in sports medicine. And this is kind of a complicated slide that we have to replace this. It's a little too complicated. But what happens when you over-exercise, for example, and you feel tired and run down? There's an excess of the ROS molecules, reactive oxygen species. This occurs when you overdo your exercising. And also, you have to build up your antioxidant defenses because this is something when you're training, you have to have a high level of the antioxidant defenses. And here's where hydrogen can help you do this. So there's a couple of, this is one of my last slides, a couple of studies that show this. For example, one was a placebo-controlled double-blind trial using healthy male athletes who drank hydrogen-enriched water post-exercise. So they exercised and they drank hydrogen-rich water. And what they found is that when they did this, they had less problems with cramping. They had less lactate produced. So lactic acid, for example, is one of the things that builds up when you exercise. And the hydrogen actually reduced that. And because they had lower exercise acidosis, which is a buildup of lactic acid. So they had less oxidative stress, for example, and that's very important. And there was another placebo-controlled trial using injured male athletes who took hydrogen, in this case hydrogen tablets. And what they found was that they had faster return from their injuries if they took hydrogen, for example. So it's actually important in helping repair after injury occurs.